Morning! Calves have been fed, and in this envelope we have got tickets for... Right, here we are, we've made it all the way down the motorway to Lamma. And we've got Holiday Bob with us, we've got the Duke, and we've got young Bradley. And we've just got in, it's very, very busy, so we're going to have a look round. I'm just sat in a Kabuta at the moment. Yeah, so we'll have a look round, come with us, and let's enjoy the show together. Lamma 2025. We'll do it, come on. Yeah, rollers, one for you here. Edge cutter, that's what the Duke's got in mind next. Nice coyotes here. That's a new attachment, isn't it? A television on the front of one. Looking at the size of that muck spreader, that definitely would have got stuck under the bridge. And I'm sure I've seen this on Thunderbirds. I reckon Jerry Anderson designed that. My word. You're right. Looking at Weideman now. Here we are on the Vicon Curvenand. That's the big version of the Duke's mower. How many bands is that then? 6, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. 10 blades. On the Massey Ferguson stand now. Looking at some big lads. All the young guys are queuing up to sit in the tractors and pull the levers. It's photos with Tom. Here he is, Mr. Pembleton himself.
Yes, he was here, but I think he got one.
We're just having a look at this massive farm simulator. So this one for you, Sean. This is what you've got to do, get the big screen set up. And, the Duke's thinking about having a go.
Typically, by default, it's a certain amount of bales that you have to stack onto a trailer as fast as you can. The fastest time will win in the end. So it's all about speed and not so much about... It's a different different ride, but this is also something special. The volumetric fork is called. This is huge for our game.
There they are, having a coffee. Right, we just had a coffee courtesy of Fent and Valtra. Much needed, as tongues were hanging out. So now we're walking round and following the Duke. and I don't know where we're going. It's just meandering. There's that many people here. It is really difficult to see anything or get near to anything because it's just very, very crowded. Got Bradley with me. He's the press officer for today. We're on the Alliance tyres. Just having 5 minutes with these guys. But, our man's run off at the moment. We don't know where he's gone. Disappeared. Go on then, get on, let's have a look. I could see you in this. That's what we want though. That one with stop sign on. And fly straight down the lane with the cows. Stop the traffic on the bypass. Just looking at the quads. We're just checking out the calf stuff. Feeder buckets. Ah, that's what that's for. Hanging that on there. Double teat. Get on waterbed, Bradley. Bradley's just trying out the cow's waterbed.
Good sleeping shed, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you'd get a massage on that.
Your sleeping shed.
And we've got the self-unlocking head cramps there. I won't. You lay down then. Have a massage.
Tell you what, we'll lay down.
Is it heated?
No, no.
Oh,
Not
Is it cold?
heated, will it?
It's quite cold.
is it?
Yeah, you ever lay down?
I can't. I'll never get back up.
You lay down and Bradley-
I'll never get back up.
Yeah, you lay down and
Lay on that, Tom. It's a massage bed. It's a massage bed.
There you go.
There you go. Tom Lamb, he's a farmer. He's asleep on the massage bed.
What's it doing?
Well, you,
Not a
it's
massage bed.
Oh, that's better.
it's massaging. Look. Oh. Things you have to do, eh?
It's faded now.
This is
Oh, that's comfy, innit?
Yeah.
This is the back.
That's your bath, yeah.
That's it. Stop it.
Do you need help getting up?
It's comfortable, actually. The Duke's eyes have just lit up. He's seen the Deutsch Fahr tractors. Any good, Bob? Just looking at these hydraulic operated cattle crushers. Got a control panel here, look, so you can... Sorry, they're not hydraulic, they're air operated.
Yeah, and then two auxiliaries. So
Right, so
you can put draft gates, a three-way
Yeah,
draft
yeah.
to it, or you can put an extra tailgate as well to it. But all air operated. I was wondering why it didn't work, eh?
there's the Tapari sheep and cattle handling systems. And then we've just had a look at Premier over there. And I think we're pushing on. Back the other side of the Deutsch Fahr now. Bob's fancying a Deutsch Fahr. I think he wants to sit in one. Pull some levers. There seems to be a reoccurring theme here with the Duke. He's obsessed with edge cutters.
I'm not.
You are! Oh, we're going to have a look at the Manitou stand now, see whether we can see bowls over Barry. Let me get you in. That's it, you're in now. Bob's here having a coffee on Manitou stand. Oh. That's it. Let's have a look. Right, we've got John and Jonathan here from County Mayo over in Ireland, and they've just come up to us. They've recognised us while we're having our lunch, and we just had a lovely chat with them about sutlers and pole barns, and they like to watch all the videos. So they said, "Can we be in the video?" So yeah, we'll film you, no problem. So yeah, nice to meet you anyway.
Nice to meet you.
And enjoy the rest of your day. And,
Thank you very much.
yeah, you're welcome. Great, and don't forget to leave a comment next time you watch the video.
We have to do that. You know who we are.
Yeah, so we know who you are then,
Yeah,
we can
yeah.
reply back. Lovely, thank you. Just having a look at the Wessex flails and mowers and yard sweepers. And there's the girl we see at Bakewell.
Give us a wave.
Give us a wave, come on, there we go. Right, that's it. You're on the channel now. See you later. See you at Bakewell. Bye. We're still pushing on. It's been a long day so far. We've met loads of subscribers. Been chatting with everybody. They keep hunting us down and saying hello, which is great. Keep it up. We love it. And we're just going over to the IAE cattle holding stuff now to have a look around there. We've just had some lunch, and I think we're going to go and grab a coffee in a minute. What do you mean I ain't got any lighter? Well, I can't get on properly, can I? Hold my bags. I can't have my bags, can I?
Take everything off.
And our survey says it's not 2 ton, 11.25. I'm just hanging on to this sheep weighing. 11.25. What's my tag number? 91? Only half a lad. The Duke's having a weigh in now. 80.5? 80.5? What's Bob on there? Bob's 102. Does that mean I'm lightest?
Right.
Playing games, stop punching walls and stuff, don't we?
Right, you.
Yeah.
So in a second, you're going to do that one. And then when I give you these, so to start with, you'll just be walking through one work then.
The Duke's having a virtual reality health and safety display. It's actually learned you how to salsa dance.
Okay?
That's it.
Okay, so it should be if the yellow lights on the screen. What can you see?
Just two lightsabers.
2 lightsabers.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so at the bottom of there is going to say next.
Yeah.
So you can point to that with your hand and click on next.
Back.
Right into it. This one here.
No.
It's if you highlighted the word next, so if you point to it, it'll turn blue, and then you can click it.
I'm not doing anything.
Hey, up, mate. Hey, look who's here. Hey.
Bad lads.
It's the Richards. You all right?
It's you.
The tractor's down. The Duke's just having health and safety demonstration on their virtual how to wear eye protection. Right, I think we're going to have a look on the Bateman stand. Bob's fancying a new mobile sheep race, isn't he? That's it. That's it. He's worked it out. Bradley's demonstrating it. There you go. Put your pin back. Hey. Bradley wants a grassman's top. Hey, it's full of little Bradleys up there, isn't it? Grassmen merchandise. Yeah, that's a big rake, Bob, isn't it? That rake there, one passing some of our fields and it'll be done. You having a click cramp? Get cramp, let's have cramp.
I've got cramp.
So that goes on front at loader and then that's remote. That goes in your cab and that's your 3-disc spinner, is it? It sounds Italian.
Yeah, it does actually.
They said when it keeps falling on track, I don't know.
You don't know. Look who we found.
How are you? You all right?
Yeah. Very good. Processors. Yeah, I'll have a look around here for you. We've got the. Would you like to come and explain it? Come and explain what it is.
Right, what we've got here is logs will come in.
Yep.
Anything what goes through will fit in.
Yeah,
there.
anything that diameter will fit in, yep. Through the logs. Yep.
Oregon bar.
Yep.
Or circle saw.
Yep.
Put,
Yep.
drops down into there.
Yep.
You go with a 6 ton or a 9 ton. 2+4
Right.
split or 2+6
Split, yeah.
Drops in.
So where does the ram, that's the ram, is it?
That's the ram.
The ram comes out, pushes it against that.
Pushes it against there.
Right.
Into the bottom of there. And straight with your conveyor.
Right.
All controlled through.
For one man stood here.
Yes.
Oh wow.
If you go to the next one over there,
Yeah.
which is on the joystick
Yeah.
with just a button.
Next one's on a joystick with a button.
Yeah. So, hang on, wait there.
Go on out. We're having a full demonstration here. The Palex Smart.
That's a circular blade.
Yep.
Instead of having the manual, you've still got manual, but when they come in, press the button,
Yep.
takes it all through for you. You can stop, yellow button, and just keep pressing one button. But it can all be over.
All done with one joystick.
Yeah.
Wow. Who picks the logs up though and puts them in?
You'd have the log table as well.
You have a log table as well, right.
And it all,
So you lay them in and you roll them on, do you?
yeah, and you can speed the conveyor up,
Yeah, yeah.
slow it down. You can also speed that conveyor up,
Right.
and slow it down.
And that goes all the way, yeah. So you can load skips, back to trucks, anything with that really, yeah.
Low, get it near enough horizontal.
Wow.
Lower it all down. This is electric. The first one we saw was PTO.
Right, so that one's PTO driven, this is plug-in. So this is more of a static thing, is it? You'd have this in one place all the time?
They tend to be static
Yeah,
all
yeah.
the time.
Right.
So they are coming direct from Finland
Yep.
into our new Hereford branch now,
Right.
which is under Edwin Russell's.
Yep.
And we can't store these at Chesterfield, so it's the Hereford branch.
Right, okay. Hereford branch has got these in stock. Right, wow. Very good.
And second-hand ones as well.
Second-hand ones as well. Right. Part warm ones if anybody's interested, yeah. Give Philip a A call?
Yes, Edwin's your man.
Edwin's your man, is he? Right. Right. Look at that. Let's have a look under this tractor. Bob, come and MOT this tractor. Flipping heck. You can see everything here. You can get to all grease nipples. Don't swing on it while we're under here.
Right, yeah, on that.
It's good, isn't it, that? Is it weld? A blob of weld? Bob's just MOTing this tractor under here. Coon drills and mowers and things. That's a bale wrap, isn't it?
You're lost.
Just having a drink on the JCB stand. Just as legs have packed up. And a sit down. Bradley's going to have a look in that new fast track in a minute, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm buying one.
You having one,
On
are
the
you?
Adventure. With John's credit card though, a bank card.
Was it the Duke's credit card?
Yeah. He said he could do with it, so we can do it. And then triple one.
That's a bit snazzy, that, in the pearlescent paint. Yeah, look at that. Nice wheels as well. You'd be alright edge cutting in that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, no shoes.
Chipping the paintwork. He broke it. We're looking at the back end of a case.
Well, the air brakes and all, yeah. You know.
What did he pull off then? A wire? A pipe? That pipe come off, did it?
That's catching waste oil, that.
Oh, is it? Ian,
Yeah?
Can't take it with you.
we're in a case. Thought we'd have a look inside a case. Because there's no Zetas here today. How's that work then?
Moves up and down, doesn't it?
Nice sunroof
Alright.
on it, hasn't it?
It's what?
A nice sunroof on it.
It has got a nice sunroof, yeah.
Be good on that, yeah.
So that'd be for your loader, wouldn't it?
Yes.
That'd be for your loader
Second
tractor.
bales.
Yeah. It's all gear sticks here.
Curve top, isn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, you could be having one of these, could you, instead of a Massey? What are you trying to do?
I'm going to bring that down.
Well, I don't know where it is. There's a button somewhere. Is that it? No. We don't have to. We don't have to get steering wheel to come down.
That's the indicator.
That's indicator. Or is
No,
that shuttle?
that's shuttle.
That's shuttle. That's Winky's there. That's hazard button. Where do you get steering wheel to come down then? Is it on the floor? try that. That's it, it's on floor, look. Look at that, it's comfortable.
It will be, yeah.
The seat's nice.
You like it, huh?
It's not bad, Bob. Do you have to?
Are you having them on your credit card?
We'll order 2. We'll put 2 down on the Duke's account.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a wireless and everything, look.
Well, it will have a radio, yeah.
Look, up there. Let me turn that round for you. Up there. Surround sound. What's this here then? That's PTO, isn't it? I thought it was one of them handles to break window to get out.
It looked like it, yes.
Got cab suspension on it as well.
Oh, is it, Bob?
All right. Cab suspension.
On that thing on the roof.
That was the Case Farm Hall 120C. I like the shape of the bonnet. That's the Case and New Holland stand. There's the JCB 8330 icon. Here's the other side of the JCB stand. We've just had a coffee in their restaurant and a nice piece of cake. Electric one here. Little electric telehandler. There's the Agri Pro. That's only a 10 metre one up there, not a 17 metre like we were stood in. Oh God. Cheers lads. That's it, we're on the wine now. We've been invited onto the Italia stand. So,
Swig it down, Bob.
we've just had canopies, we don't know what they are. And now we've got a glass of red wine. Vino Tinto. Salute. Salute. Here's a Fendt Varamit on tracks. Big Valtras. Don't really know much about Valtras, except they're big and you can have them in any colour you want. Right. That's it then. We're absolutely knackered now. We've had a long walk round and it's starting to empty out now. There's about half an hour left before the show closes. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We're going to make our way out and try and find the car and head back north where we're safe and we can understand what people are saying. You got what you've seen there? Machinery magazine. So, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Walk round Lamma 2025.